Hello, Piggy.
Hi, cutie pie. Hello.
You guys want some?
Hi. That's my baby boy. Oh, boo. Woof, woof. Oh, Carlton.
You can't eat grapes.
No grapes for you. Hi, guys. Oh, what's it, grapes? I love you, Carlton. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Bite my hand.
Who's doing that?
Carlton.
Carlton.
Here.
Did he bite it? Where'd he bite it?
Hey, kind of grabbed it.
Oh. Hello. Hi, Olive.
Got some strong cheekbones there.
Ooh. Yeah.
Hey, you guys was disturbing the piggy.
Beautiful day. August the 22nd. It's a beautiful day.
Are you
You gonna eat my camera? You cleaning my screen?
sure the piggy?
Carlton! Hi, Carlton.
Here, you see him eating?
Yeah, I was doing it. I'm filming him.
Here you go. Here.
Aw, good boy. Don't be greedy.
You gotta bite those goats out of the way? I think that's what he's doing.